mean, just look at this world. What do we have here? We have an absolute array of choices. And they're all calling to us. Where do we go from here? Which one do I choose? None. Choose none. They're just a bunch of distractions. Choose them only with the knowing that they're a bunch of distractions, because you just appear to be in the body. You appear to be moving it and shaking it and talking through it and looking through it, and you appear to have scenes in front of you. Those are just a bunch of distractions. What is the most important thing inside of all of that? It is being with the Master inside of us. Master Self is there. Is the presence of God inside of us, already there, and we're choosing everything else instead of it. Everything else. So you see in what stark opposition Master Self is comparing to all the choices floating in our heads.
Almost like unrecognizable.
There's so many choices floating in our heads. And none of them are going to give us lasting satisfaction.
Yeah.
And they are all promising to give us lasting satisfaction. And they've been doing it for decades. And we're still not satisfied. Well, something is off. And you know it. But you're not asking a final question. How do I finally figure it out? What is off?